In this video, I will be telling you guys how you guys can generate AI generated images in the Canva. For that, the process is very simple. First thing first, what you have to do is to access the Canva, and I will be attaching the link in the description below so you guys can just hit it up. So once you're in the Canva, once you're in the board, it should be a plain board. On the left hand side, there is a magic media option on the bottom left hand side. Just go ahead and click on that, and you will have a detailed section over here where you can give a prompt into it. I'm just gonna use a random prompt that says, there is a button over here which says, you know, you can click it and it will generate a random prompt. Then you can select between different of sort of styles, and I have select one style, and let's see what sort of image does it can gonna create for me. And once it will be done, I'll get back to you guys very quickly. Here you guys can see that on the left hand side, it has generated four different sort of images. I have selected one of them, and I can maximize the image quality, and I can even create further images using this style. So the image looks very good, very natural, and it doesn't look like an AI generated images unless you see and focus on the fingers of the hand. That looks way AI is sick. I hope you find this video helpful.